Hi, I'm Iain Courage from Fleet Line Markers. Been with Fleet for almost 31 years. Today we're at Birmingham City University in Perry Bar, Birmingham, and we've got 23 companies who have joined us today from the grounds maintenance industry. Everything from robotic mowers to line markers to massive ride-on mowers, etc. Companies who are here are all well-known industry names, Howardson, Campy, Trimax, etc, etc. So quite an attraction in itself, I think. And they've all made the effort. Last year we did it for the first time, and unfortunately the storm Catherine hit on that occasion. So although it was rather wet, people still came to the day, and we took cover inside the pavilion here at the university playing field. So it all worked out well in the end. We're an outdoor industry, so indoor shows are all very well, but people do like to get hands-on. And all my years at Fleet, we've always done our own road shows. This started off as one of those road shows last year and ended up with 23 companies taking part. So previous to that, our road shows would have involved maybe half a dozen like-minded companies, and so it's evolved somewhat rather rapidly. Today people can get hands-on, which is all very well in the show. You can still touchy-feely things, but you can actually use the line markers, use the mowers, use the vertidrainers, whatever, and that's the advantage really, being outside. And on a day like today, that's another advantage. We start the day with bacon baps and sausage baps and coffee. Coffee is actually on tap all day long for interest's sake. It's quite useful. It's a nice start to a day where you can meet old friends and colleagues from the industry. And in my case, I used to cover an area in the UK many years ago, up to about 15 years ago. So already this morning I've met 3 people I haven't seen for probably 10 years. So it's always very nice renewing old acquaintances. Yeah. So another advantage of an outdoor show is that people can show anything new, innovations. Today we've got our robot in the lunch pavilion on display there. We haven't got it working outside, but it's still there on show, and it's created a bit of interest, which is what it's all about. It'll be available by the end of the year, start of next year. So regarding the networking, as well as the nice breakfast rolls or baps, we have a lunch on offer as well, which in itself is quite an attraction. Choice of several different typical lunches, such as lasagna and curry and jacket potatoes and things like that. So something else to look forward to. And the cost of this, we're not in it to make a massive profit, just cover the costs. It's very reasonably priced and cost effective. Like I said, we're not in it to make a profit and earn a buck from selling the space, so just covering our costs. And I think that helps to attract good quality exhibitors, because an indoor show, indoor venues, and 6x3 spot, which these guys all have, is probably £5,000 or £6,000, and it's a fraction of that. And the lunch and breakfast baps are included for them, as well as the visitors who have actually come from far and wide. Last year we had some guys from Denmark come. UK furthest travelling customer, I think, was from Essex, and I've just said cheerio to a guy who came down from Wigan for 8:30 this morning, so good effort really.